As a child, I still remember using soap bars to build my castle, pillows to build my dream house where I could stay and play, kitchen utensils as musical instruments, pencil box as my private rockets. Apart from all these, every other thing human had created was made possible because of this superpower. Even this video was made possible because of that. Yes, imagination is the superpower. Okay, wait, but what is imagination? Let me make it clear for you. Just close your eyes and run visual images of what I'm saying now. Are you ready? You have got a seed on a butterfly of your favorite color, and now it starts to fly high. But suddenly, you miss balance and fall down. Hey, are you doing okay? You should be doing fine because this is just your imagination. But how could we possibly visualize things that we have never seen before? We should thank our brain for doing this work. And we also have an important role to keep our imaginative muscles active and healthy. During my school days, I did not get enough time and space to imagine, other than me being in the library or peeping out of the window during school hours or during my travel to school. As Albert Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. So, how are we going to keep our imaginative muscles healthy and active? Here are a few ways where you could build this superpower in you. Read more books rather than watching videos, as it will help you to create visuals in your mind. Have some downtime, a time where you do nothing but you could imagine anything. Answer open-ended questions like, what would the world be in 2050? Involve in art and craft activities that you love to do. Practice imaginative play where we do role play to express things that we have seen, experienced, or would like to experience. We more often see this in kids. There are many other ways to build this superpower within us. Do share some of your thoughts as well. Let's not lose this superpower. Let's practice to keep within us.